Hey everyone, so it has been quite a while since I made another video, so life kind of got in the way, been doing other things, so today we're going to go through making some more brackets for the front motor mount. I need to make up some brackets to weld into the engine bay, and I need to make up a piece to reinforce it. So we're going to go through that, and you're going to see a new toy that I've got to help me with this project. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to jump into Fusion 360 and we're going to jump into the sheet metal tab. Now this just literally needs to be a super simple gusset. So we're going to go with 75 by 75, which for our American friends is 3 inches by 3 inches. Finish the sketch, and then there's my sketch, flange, boom. Now we're going to be making this out of 3mm, so you're okay. Now this is going to flange up 75mm, and wait, I may have screwed that up. We want to bend that on the outside, and then these two sides we want to bend on the inside, which is going to be there. Okay, cool. Now as you can see, this then gives us tabs here where we can weld it. I'm going to hit OK. Now also, just to make this a little bit stronger, I'm going to go to inspect that length, which is 69mm. Bang bang. And I'm going to fill it that corner like that. Create a sketch here. Find the centres. And there we go. 25. I don't want that. I want that as a construction line and that not as a construction line. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this to here. Cut that out. Okay. And now there is our gusset. Now the other thing I might want to do is I might want to weld a bit in the centre, so I'm going to go do that. Construction line there. 30, 35? 35 looks good. Finish. Alright, and sketch. As you can see, I'm not very good at this. Okay, cool. And there is our gusset. Very, very simple gusset drawn up. So now I want to go up here to create a flat pattern, make that the flat face, and it does this. Now I can export this as a DXF. Okay, let's make this 75mm gusset. Okay, finish flat pattern. And now the other piece we need to do is a reinforcement for here on the front engine mount. So what we're going to do is take some measurements from this and convert them into CAD. So, because this is the area where the radiator hoses need to fit. So, but now that I've taken a chunk out of the pipe, I need to put something back so it's a bit more structural. So let's get to that. Now I can see here I've gone around 250 mils. So I'm going to go with 245 on that distance, and then let's have a look. We'll go 40 and 40. So there are our distances, so let's jump back into CAD for this. Okay, so now we're back in CAD. Let's create our sketch again. This time we'll just go up here because that's the plane I was operating in. Go with 245, and I know it's 50mm high, which is just standard, and that is our shape. So I go finish, flange, bring that out as 3mm, now a 3mm piece of plate. And now with these, I bring those both out, 40mm. I need to come over here and make sure this is on the inside. Because if I change it to outside, you can see it pushes it out, tangent or adjacent. So it moves your bend position just here, so I want those inside, because then I'll keep that same size. And I know that the fillet at the corners is 5mm. I can fillet all these corners 5mm, and that will make it all nice. Now let's do something else. It's going to be cool. Create sketch. Now I can fit in here a 25mm hole. Let's bring him all the way across here. Cut him out. Okay, let's go on here. Put more 25mm holes. Create pattern. Boom. Actually, how long is this? Measure 233. Okay, cool. Right. Pattern. Directions that. Distance 233 divided by 2. Symmetric. Divided by 4 because I'm going both ways. Alright, that is cheap. Yep. And then 25mm, so minus 50. 25. That looks better. Okay, let's get these done. This is to object that one. Okay, cool. And now that will be a bracket. Actually, yeah, I don't know if that's going to work for what I plan to do, but let's see. So go back up here, create flat pattern, select there. Cool. Export. Okay. And front subframe reinforcement. Okay, finish that pattern. Okay, cool. And that is our 2 reinforcing panels. Okay, now for the next trick, I need to open up this nifty program called SheetCam. New part, 3D objects, and I want the 75mm gusset. Okay, cool. I want to make him 5 and 5 away from the edge. And I want to, new part, I want another 75mm gusset. And let's go with, let's flip him upside down. Okay, 150, walk him in, 100, 5, not too close, and let's go, 80, 90, that works, 90 and 90, that works, and then go front subframe reinforcement. Okay, we'll bring him across, 240, 250, okay, cool. Now he's there. Okay, cool. We have those parts. Now I might actually swing him 90 degrees. Bring him back across. Okay, cool. Put him there. Okay. Now that gives us those. Now let's set up our toolpaths. So we go down here, plasma cut, because I'm going 3mm. I'm going to slow it down to 1250. Now I want to go inside on my inner profiles. Okay. I want to select the next one. Create another operation. Inside inner profiles at 1250. Yep. And inside inner profiles 1250. Okay, cool. Then go back to the first one. Outside outer profiles. Cool. And then go outside outer profiles. So you always want to cut your insides first and then your outsides. Because if you cut your outsides first, then these are all flopping around, and you'll see what I mean by cut them out in just a moment. So I'm going to run my post processor, go to desktop, go in here, front reinforcement parts, save, post processing completed. Okay, cool. And let's go see what this is going to do for us. Okay, so this is the new toy, and I've currently got it doing a test run just so I know that everything's going to fit into my panel, because I can't actually buy panels to suit this machine with 4 foot by 3 foot. So I've got to cut them down, and I'd already cut into this panel, so I was going to just use some offcuts from the panel before I go wrecking a whole brand new panel. So it looks like this whole thing is going to fit. So it's just finishing up its cut now. So let's wait for a second and we'll get the actual cut started. Okay, so we're ready to go. I'm going to hit start. And let's see what go. Oops. That was my screw up. Reset. Go to work 0. It helps if I do this. Turn the plasma cutter on. Okay, it's back at work 0. See if this actually works better now. Oh, look at that. I'm going to slow this down just a little bit. And maybe a little bit more. Also, while I'm doing this, you're actually seeing more than I have my fancy safety goggles on. Okay. First gusset done.
I think I need to go even slower. This is just honestly the coolest toy that I own. One thing that is cool about this is I also have the cord tight control. So as the plate is flexing, because I'm pumping these, the cord tight control is actually automatically adjusting the height of the car up here. As you can see, this is the 7 years. That's my cord tight control. It is making sure that I'm always at the optimal cut height above my material. Okay, program is complete. It will be reset. Okay, and in the interest of full transparency, I had to get out the hand torch because none of these cut through the whole way. Oh, some of them did. A couple of these ones cut through the whole way, but most of this did not cut through the whole way, so therefore I ended up ruining the edges of some of them. But that's not really going to matter because I can grind it up, make it look reasonably pretty, and it will be functional, because that's the thing, these parts need to be functional, they don't have to be perfect. So yeah, I had to hand torch some of them out. So yeah, that's life. Now let's go down the shed, clean these up and get them bent. Okay, so I got the first bracket cut up, and she's just a slight bit out of size, but I mean nothing that can't be taken up with a bit more weld. So yeah, she looks good. So yeah, I have to say this little vice brake has been absolutely phenomenal. I think I paid like 30 bucks for it at Super Cheap, and it's just bends 3mm like it's going out of fashion. So it's great little tool. Anyway, so that's it for today. I just wanted to basically show off my new CNC plasma cutter and just show how easy it is to make brackets now. So hopefully this project will get moving very quickly. I need to bend up the other brackets, put the brace back into the engine bay, bolt it to the K-frame, lift everything into position, tack the gussets onto the K-frame, onto the brace, weld them, pull it all back out, weld them fully, put it back in and weld them to the car. So that's going to be an entire other episode, because this episode's already been long enough. So if you liked this, please subscribe. If you want to see more, if you like this, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you want to talk about it, put a comment below. I'm terrible at this end YouTuber stuff. So yeah, cheers guys.